One-sided step is like this. Okay. Top view of the steps. If you see the top view, you will see the tread. Okay, you will not see the rise. So here the tread is 1, 2, 3. So this means this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. If you see from the top, this tread you will see, this tread you will see, this tread you will see. Okay, and after that you are entering into the veranda. Veranda means it is open space. Sometimes just like a majlis, if you are going here and then there is a majlis open space. So this is known as open space. Clear?
Also in veranda we have to make some finishing.
Yeah, veranda is another thing. That is another. We are talking about these steps. So leave it veranda.
Yes.
Are you getting?
Yes.
So this means here, from here, just see here, this is the cross-sectional view. If you cut it like this, and you will see this is your PCC, and this is first steps you will start here. This tread is equal to this tread is equal to this tread is equal to this. And after there is a rise here, and after that this is the floor of veranda. Are you getting or not? Floor of your room, veranda, whatever your inside houses.
You cannot call it landing space.
Landing is, it is not
It's
a landing.
staircase, yeah.
No, it is in the landing is for the staircase, because here there is no landing. You are entering. Landing is above the ground level generally. It is not at the ground. But here this floor, it is on the ground here. It is the soil here, whatever you are making, you have to make it. So this is your cross section. The 3D, this is the plan, and this one is the elevation. Elevation, plan, 3D, section. Section means here, this is your PCC, because the whole steps, suppose if you are going here, so this whole step you have to make the platform, because all steps will stay here, and if there is no proper platform is there, maybe little bit settlement, there will be a crack. Okay, so that is why this is the steps here. So if you cut it here, you will get here. I am not talking about this. This is your wall of veranda. Okay, this is, suppose this is your veranda, room, suppose. I am just going here, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step will reach here. So there is a wall here, that is another thing. We are not talking about this. We are talking about only these steps. Okay, so that is why this part we are not going to consider, only this part we are going to consider. Clear? Got it? Now I am slow or very fast? Okay, slow. Okay. Now here, generally see here, this length is 90. Clear? And this length is 95. Means 5 centimeter platform is more than these steps. Okay, why? Because you can start, this is 90 also, exactly the same thing. But generally, if you go to any foundation, you will see the platform area little bit more than your foundation area. Footing area, not foundation, footing area.
Wow.
Clear? There is a difference between footing and foundation.
Yes.
Okay, foundation means the whole structure is called as foundation. Footing means generally the depth of the foundation is not the depth of footing. Okay, depth of the foundation depends on your loading and soil bearing capacity. How much? Generally 4 feet we are making for every construction. This should not be less than 1.2 meter for any construction, whether it is houses or what. But if it is a multi-story building, it will be a big houses. Clear?
Foundation.
Yeah, so this means there is a pile, there is another type of foundation. Now here, so that is why here, if we want to calculate what is the earthwork we have to do, okay, we have to excavate. So that is 0.95 multiplied by 1.9 and multiplied by this. So how you will get it here? This is the ground level. So this is 10 plus 5, 15. Got it or not?
10 for what? 10
This
is down.
is 10 for
The
PCC, and then ground level is above than this. So this is the ground level, total ground level is 10 plus 5. So that is 15 centimeter. Got it or not? So what is the earthwork in foundation of these steps?
5 or 95. 90 plus 5.
90 plus 5?
5 centimeter for what? The thickness of what?
Yeah, this is, no. Your ground level is this. Okay, and the distance from here to
10.
here, that is 10 plus 5.
So 15.
Yeah, 10 is this, 10 is the thickness of this, and 5 is this. Generally, ground level little bit above than your PCC level.
5 centimeter.
Okay, 5 centimeter above. Got it?
So it will be soil.
Just here, earthwork, if you calculate earthwork is equal to 0.95 multiplied by 1 or just 1.9 multiplied by 0.95. What is the height? 0.15. Clear? Got it? Okay. No, it is showing in the drawing.
Dr. 5 centimeter concrete or soil?
This is your PCC. Okay, and then steps is starting from here. Okay, this is the steps. Your ground level basically can be here, and your ground level anywhere can be. Okay, so our ground level little bit above from this here. Yeah.
Okay.
This distance from to here in the drawing, it is given 15 centimeter, 10 plus 5. It depends on the drawing. Maybe ground level it can be here,
Rest
maybe
directly.
ground level it can be anywhere. Okay, so you have to see the drawing where is the ground level. Clear?
But doctor, above the PCC will provide the concrete, yes? Not the soil.
No, it is here. Here there will be a soil will come.
So 5 centimeter soil.
Yeah, for here the PCC, because the step is starting from here. So if it is soil is here, there is no harm.
So 5 centimeter above the PCC.
Yes, above the PCC, the 5 centimeter above the PCC, there will be a soil.
Soil.
But here it is, because the platform is there, your step is starting from here. So here will be a soil. Okay?
Yes.
Got it? Okay. Now done. And the PCC, what you have to do? PCC is equal to 1.9, 0.95 and multiplied by 0.1.
1.1, the thickness.
No, 0.50.
Thickness of the.
Thickness
10.
of the PCC here. Just see here. This is the thickness of the PCC is 10 centimeter. Clear? Got it?
Yes.
It is clear?
Very easy.
Very easy. Now the next is, that is why it will come in midterm. 3. What is 3? What you have to calculate 3?
The rise and the steps.
Steps. The stone work you have to calculate. So who is going to tell? Okay, just tell.
Like we did in the house estimation. Exactly.
Yes, yes. Then first class brickwork or in the steps.
The first step.
So could we calculate all
1.9 minus 0.5 minus 0.5.
Okay.
is equal
How you will calculate in the steps? Okay. First, this is, there are 2 here.
to 0.5.
One is this, one is this, one is this. Okay, got it or not?
Yes.
Okay, there is another way also you can calculate it. There is just I am here. Suppose this is first steps, this is second step, this is third step. So what is first steps? Steps number 1. What will be the length?
1.9.
1.9.
minus
0.9.
0.9.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
0.9. What will be the height?
Dr.
Y.9.
0.15.
Yes, it's 1.9.
لا لا
Without the
لا
5
تاخذها من الأخيرة ولا إلى
Doctor, can I take the rectangle
تاخذها كاملة.
then divide
Yes.
by 2?
Yes.
Easier.
Yes. No, but
أخذته
here the
already.
problem is in different
تاخذ
way. I
العرض
will tell you.
وتاخذ اليمين
Rectangle and
ويسار.
then it will
تاخذ
be.
على داخل
Okay.
1.9 وبتاخذ الجهة الثانية
على داخل 1.8
1.9.
It is here.
مكتوبة فوق حقت الدرج فوق.
Okay.
Yes.
If you take this.
Then I will divide it by 2.
No, this means
لا.
here it is
هذا
1,
الدرج.
2, 3, but here it is
هذا
only
الBCC.
1 and 2. It is not divided by
فهمت
2.
عليك. لحظة.
See?
1.8, why 1.9?
1.8 دكتور
1.8, why 1.9? The width.
Yeah, 1.8. This is not, who's 1.8? 1.8, 0.9, I was 1.9 different thing. No,
Okay.
this is not right here.
يا 1.8
1.8.
دكتور so the left figure
It's written.
The steps. We are
The-
working the
the-
steps.
left one yeah steps
1.8.
1.9 for the.
1.8,
9 is for the.
0.9 and 0.15. Here, just see here. 1.8, this is 0.9, and height is this value. What is this height?
Yeah.
That height is 15. Clear?
slide point 2.
Huh?
Slides.
No, that is here.
Yes, 0.5, you didn't check.
No, no, no. Here. Just see here. No, no, no. Just see here. Just see here. Why it is 0.2 here? Just see. What is the height? Because 50 centimeter rise. So rise he calculated from here to here. 15. Here to here 15. Here to here 15. Clear? And then this is also 15. What is the total from here to here? 60. So 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 60. But here, it is steps is starting from here.
5
So
centimeter.
5 centimeter here, so that is why here 0.2.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Now the second step is, who is going to tell?
1.8.
1.8.
0.6.
1.8,
Yeah.
0.6, 0.15. Then the third step is
1.8.
1.8, 0.3,
0.3.
and point.
Why? Because 30 centimeter.
Yes, 30 centimeter is done. Okay. Now after that, finishing. Just tell me finishing. First one
Last
is
of-
finishing means
First
plaster.
step.
Yeah, there are two types of finishing here. You have to do the finishing here, and you have to do the finishing here,
And then
and you have to do the finishing here, and you have to do the finishing on the other side. Okay? Just see here.
يعني ما يحتاج الرسمتين اللي
This is your brickwork. You have to do the plastering here. You have to do the plastering here, and you have to do the plastering here, and you have to do the plastering on this side. Clear? And side and this.
Yes.
Clear?
So on the top and the both sides.
Yeah, the both side and this. The first one is thread. Suppose thread. How many thread is there?
3.
3 thread.
Yes.
The 3 thread number is 3. What will be the length?
1.8.
Yes.
Huh?
1.8.
1.8 is the length. What will be the width?
0.3.
0.3. Khalas. This is the plaster. There is no height.
Yeah.
It's clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Rise.
After tread means then rise. What will be the rise? 4 is the rise. Okay?
Yes.
And then here
1.8.
1.8. Then here
0.15.
0.15. Because below the ground level, there is no need to do the plastering in first steps.
Because it's small.
Yeah, it is small, so there is no need to do the plastering. But generally, we are
So why are you
doing.
providing the
We have to do
connectivity?
the yes. No. Because if brickwork is directly contact with the soil, so there may be seepage of the water and all these things. It will harm.
I want just to get it. So this is the plinth level.
Yes. Here, just see here. This is your
Plinth level.
plinth level.
Okay.
Plinth level means this is your floor level. You will put here your door. Okay? And then here, if I am telling the section here, this is the ground level. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
And you will go from here. Here you have to put the foundation. Clear? And then you will provide the steps here. Okay? You are reaching here. Here. So this means here there is a soil here. This is your ground level. So this it is contact with the soil. So this means you have to do the plastering here, but here which is inside the ground here. Which one is inside the ground? If you want to do the plastering or not here inside. This portion of the steps, it is required or not, it depends on you. Sometimes we are doing the plastering here also. Why? Because if you are not doing the plastering here,
Water.
so this means the soil, here there is a concrete. So this means the concrete soil will not go inside. That is why for making of the wall, they are putting the concrete grade beam and then they are making the wall. So generally the level of the grade beam is above the soil level. Are you getting or not?
Yes, so it's not, so it doesn't
So
make
this
contact.
means we don't want to touch your wall to the soil. That is why here there is a skirting. This is known as skirting sometimes. Okay, because if you wash, if you any things you do, and if your soil level from the below your wall is starting, so this means water. What happens? The water will go inside and it will rise up here, and you will feel here dampness you will feel, and you will not feel good here. Okay, so that is why some other countries, because here the soil is dry,
Yes.
so that is why here there is no problem. But in other countries, in my countries also, soil is not dry. So this means everywhere if you go to the house, the ground floor, if you go inside, you will feel little bit smell, and then you will not feel good. Everywhere dampness you will see. If you see, just feeling like what is inside our house. Okay, so that is why these things you have to do here. Here the problem is, but here, because one time I attended one seminar and they are showing in the done everything done.
دكتور واي 4
Hmm?
واي 4
Because the 4 is here.
الجدار ما تحسب.
جدار ما احسبه. طيب كم واحدة عندي انا؟
4
2 3 4
Hmm?
4 غير الجدار. الجدار ما تحسب.
1 2 3.
Then the 4.
No, that is another thing. Yes. This, and
Yes.
this.
What you said, well done, our
Last one.
No, but here this is the wall of this, but here the steps you have to consider this, because the steps, this wall you will not be able to see, but this face of the wall you will be able to see because you are in the front of this. Okay, got it?
Bounce, the wall.
Huh? It is a part of the wall, but you are going from the steps. It is a part of your steps.
Okay.
Rise will be the part of your steps. Okay, done.
Yeah.
Then the finishing. How you will do the finishing?
Doctor, not very convincing.
Yes.
Not very convincing. Why 4?
Huh?
انت لما بترقى لازم الرقة عندك اكثر من الريز الثريد.
If you go here, there is a rise here. That is the wall. Why this wall is making?
عشان ارضية
Because the soil on the other side, it will push your steps
To the
like
rise,
this.
yes.
Yes, this means you have to do the plastering on that also. Okay. Now the end size.
Yeah,
End size is very easy. What is end size?
1,
End. And if you want to do the end finishing, so this length multiplied by this length multiplied by this length multiplied by this, area of this, area of this, area of this, and multiplied by 2
To get what?
for the end.
Oh, the
End finishing. Got it?
The 2 sides.
Yeah, 2 side. Khalas?
will be similar for the steps
Yeah, if
without
will be
the
similar
length.
for this step, but you have to multiply it by 2. No, similar for the step. It is not similar for this step. This is the concrete quantity. This is in meter cube.
Yes.
This one is
Yeah.
the area, that is the
So
meter
then
square.
Remove the length.
Yeah, you remove the length from here. So this length multiplied by this length multiplied by this length multiplied by this, and multiplied by 2 on the other side.
And the first depth will be 0.15,
Yeah, just
right?
see here, yes.
0.1.
Not 0.2.
0.23.
You have to do here.
Yes, yes.
If you see here, all these things. Okay, you
But
have
he is right. The depth will be 0.15, not 0.2.
yeah, point 15, because here this is the plastering finishing you are doing above the soil level.
Above the soil.
This is done. Khalas. And maybe similar way, this is the 3-sided steps.
3 sides.
Okay, I will just
ما يكون
second.
نفس الطول كلهم.
This usually in hospitals. Something like that.
yes, usually in the hospital. One time I visited one field training student, he was doing this. He was estimating.
Was he doing good job? Or?
No, not job, he was doing the.
Was he doing a good job? I said.
Now he is in drilling engineer.
Oh, foundation.
What is his name? I think I forgot. Mishal. Well, those students who graduated from here, they are teaching King Fahd students
Allah.
In the company's design, I think one Osaimi, Abdulaziz Osaimi,
Yeah.
he was the short guy. He was very good. He did very good project.
حق الديناميك.
Okay. Now he is a senior design engineer in Bechtel.
MashaAllah.
And he is teaching. He told me that he is teaching because the King Fahd student they are coming. He doesn't know anything. I am teaching. So that is why whatever here you are teaching, if you are serious from your side, then Allah will help you. And if you see Khalipati Khalas and sleeping, then Allah will say, okay, just sleep. Okay? So this means try to do from your side 100% effort, then leave it to Allah. Allah will help you. Definitely will help you. Because I saw here maybe 90% students, those who have graduated till now, maybe 100, 200 students graduated, more than 200 I think. Graduated, everybody got good job. One is civil, some is working NIOM, some is working Royal Commission. Royal Commission one, Abdurrahman, I think I am going to take his advice in our project. That is, there is a committee, program advisory committee. Yeah, Abdurrahman Ghaitani. He is very good.
You have to take
Yeah, program.
remarks from him.
If anybody of you known civil engineers, just I'm telling you, if you know any civil engineer who is in company, who is in the higher post, okay, so you can ask him, just give the biodata. No, the biodata, his biodata. We want to include his name in our college program advisory committee. So if he will attend any meeting, he will get 2,000 real per hour. Okay, so that is why if you know, because we are collecting the names so that we will decide, because the other people they will come to there is a one criteria also whether you have a program advisory committee. Program advisory committee means the member who is an expert in the field. Now he is in the field, who is an employer of your graduates, because who is employing you. One time there was a one, I think name is Kissinger, or Kashinger, what is his name?
Krishna Passenger.
Yeah, no, I think, no, this is not a teaching faculty. He is a Saudi, he is this.
I thought he was asking.
Not Krishna Kissinger.
No.
What Krishna Kissinger will do in civil engineering? Okay, because he is a project manager in the Royal Commission. Now he is handling the whole design units, I think. He was very good and he gave a very good suggestion to us, I think. So these things, you can become a very good engineer, very good mudir, but little bit effort is required from your side. You have a great opportunity. A big project NIOM is there. Wallah, maybe it will run maybe 14, 15 years.
Yes.
So this means if you have an opportunity, go there. If you one time appointed, and then if you see the new technology and all these things, after 5 years you will not hear, you will maybe.
Did they ask about the other people? Did they talk about the civil engineering club?
Yes.
Okay, we want site visits, we want everything.
Yes.
We will complain to others.
Yes, this is because earlier it was the site visit for the 2 or 3 times site visit, but from the after COVID there is no site visit.
The department, Doctor.
No, department definitely department
No. Be honest.
department here and here. So in this way you have to calculate it and you can do it. Okay, for midterm.
Yes.
Yeah, for midterm it will be a retaining wall, slab and column, 3 units.
Okay.
Retaining wall, column foundation, as well as slab.
I didn't say
Steps will
retaining.
not.
And continuous beam, yes.
Wow. No, Doctor. Only give us 3.
Okay, 3. Continuous beam leave. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Too much.
What's about
Retaining wall,
حيل سهل ده.
column, foundation, as well as slab.
Doctor, what footing is included in each exercise, right? So let me tell you a suggestion. Remove footing.
Remove footing?
Wait, and put.
Remove
No, this is very simple.
Yes.
Yeah, remove the
It will
column,
take-
Doctor.
It will take so much time.
No.
Be realistic, Doctor.
It
Wallah,
will
time.
not take time.
No, Doctor, wallah, it will take.
I made the paper, it will not.
Yeah, but you know, our level, Doctor.
Okay, just who comes late, just.
Who's